How to create a prompt in Instagram Notes. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the message icon at the top. Over here, you will see all your chats and notes posted by the people you follow. Tap on your note to create a new note. Then, tap on the prompts icon. Let's understand what the Instagram prompt feature is. The prompt feature in Instagram Notes is similar to simple question and answer format. You write a question as your prompt and add your response to it, which your followers or selected friends can see, and that's it. Now, write a prompt. For example, I will write your favorite game. Please keep in mind that you can write your prompt up to 60 characters. You cannot exceed more than that. Now, tap on add response. For example, I will write GTA 5 here. Now your Instagram prompt is ready with your question and your response. You can also adjust the visibility settings for your prompt. At the bottom, you will see a message saying your prompt will be visible to everyone, but only your selected audience can see that you started it and your response to that prompt. If you want, you can restrict who can view and respond to your prompt. Tap on followers you follow back to adjust the visibility settings. Select close friends. Then, tap on add people to choose specific individuals. After selecting the people, tap done. For this tutorial, I will share my prompt with my followers I follow back. Finally, tap the share button and boom! You have successfully created a prompt in Instagram Notes. Now have a look at the Instagram Notes section. Prompts in Instagram Notes will appear like this. Tap on it. As you can see, here's the question and answer I added. Similarly, your followers or selected audience like close friends can open it and add their response to your prompt. You will also be notified whenever someone adds a response to your note. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.